Next file is called about.html. 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 You can take this much from the previous file. See, 3 4 HR you have written. This 3 4 HR line you can copy from the previous file. First file, that is called which file? Home file. Okay. And at least 2 files we can connect and we can see how that look. The remaining we can continue with the next topic. So in this file HTML you can start from, see, anywhere you learn InfoCampus or some other place, that is not matter. Matter is wherever you learn, you should be continuous. If you attend the continue class, then only you will understand anything. Not only here, everyone has come from the colleges, right? We know in colleges what was happening. If you not go college one day, next 4 5 days you will be confused itself, right? We'll have to face a lot of problem. So similar way, this is the more competitive world. In this also, still if you are repeating similar mistakes, then it's a big mistake. Continuity, attend here, anywhere, wherever you attend, go regular. Now suppose these people created a home file yesterday. From there we are continuing. You will miss out the home page. Their confusion will happen. If you attend 3 more classes, then you will be on the level. Right. So that is a simple basic fundamental of regularity. Regularity in that also education system, especially in education system, it says like if you are absent for 1 day, next many days you will be confused. Many days you will be confused. So at least maintain the regularity, good for you. Okay. So let us go ahead. Next is what? Next is we have made the 2 files, home and about. Now run your home file, click on about page. Check now about page is connecting or not. Run the file, click on about and check about page is connecting or not. So I will go to the browser and I will follow like this. I will click on about us page is coming. If I go to the home page will come, right? Come in about us page, and here again after this write maybe one paragraph, one BR you can write one more BR, and after that write a paragraph. Under the paragraph you text something, write some text content. It will be very helpful. It will display something. I have uploaded all the recording in the YouTube channel. I have given the permission to other people also. So yes, Aswini, you can send your email ID and name in that WhatsApp. I have sent you my number. That is a WhatsApp number. In that you can send your email and name. I will add you in the group and then I will give you the permission from the YouTube channel. From there you can see the videos. Videos are there in the YouTube channel. You need a permission, then only you can access. So for your email ID will give the permission. Okay, so let's go ahead. Save the file. Check now, home and about both are working. Home and about both the links should work. About is also coming, home is also coming here. So just simple hyperlink. Just we are writing simple hyperlink to understand how to link the pages. Check please and let me know, yes, pages are loading or not. Hope ready? Two files are running. For you, Bina, let me know running or not running. Those who attended yesterday, for them at least this page should work properly. Okay. Then go ahead. Now create one more file called contact.html. See, this much will remain same. Which much? The hyperlink we have 4 line, that will remain same. Okay, since it is the HTML and it is a static pages, So in that, what we have to do in a static pages, we have to copy paste only. We don't have any other option. We have to do copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Okay, so copy this and then create the next file contact.html. The contact.html, you will start from the HTML and you will follow the body tag again, and in body tag, as we had written in the previous file, also a tag called center tag. Center tag will centralize everything in the middle, and inside that you write as a h1 as a heading tag or as a contact us. So in every page on the top you will have a heading, big heading as a contact us. Next, after that you can keep the 4 hyperlink. 4 hyperlink we have, we can keep that 4 hyperlink, and after that we can see that. Okay, in contact us page we can add one h2 below, and we can write mobile number 88841660608. Next, after that we can write the email id, maybe h3 you can add hr.infocampus@gmail.com. Now you can check here. So what it will be is contact page will also be ready, where you will have 2 number, you will have contact number simply. Right, so hope ready. Check now contact page. It will be simple like this. Home page, about page, contact page. 3 pages are ready. Last page is pending. That also we can create. And after that we can see something. Here if you want, you can write some BR. See, it's very nearby. So you can write a BR here. 1 BR, 2 BR. So that a space will get applied. Check now. Okay. So, given the BR. After that, let us see. It should come little down. In that, if you want, you can write a paragraph also here and keep one line of text. So till now we have used H1 everywhere, H1, H2, H1, H2. So you saw at least using H1 what you are doing? You are creating a heading. Using H1 we are creating a heading. Using H2 we are displaying heading only but little smaller size. Using paragraph you saw you are displaying the text content. So in case if you require to write somewhere what is the use of H1 to H6, then we can say using H1 to H6, we can create a heading of the web page. Using H1 to H6, we can create the heading of the web page. Using H1 to H6, we can create the heading of the web page. Using H1 to H6, we create the heading of the web page. Now let me save this file and run once. What is happening? Some text came. Okay, so no problem. Some dummy pages is ready. At least 3-page hyperlink is ready, and something is happening. Right? Login is not there, so it will throw the error. So let's go and create one more page called login.html. And inside you can display the heading and do something. So we can take this 3-4 line. We can take this 3-4 line. We can take this 3-4 line, copy and create the next page called login.html. In login.html, we can place the code and we can see what is happening. Okay. So hope login page is ready. Create the login page. Login.html. Login.html. Start from HTML. End by HTML. Start the body. Close the body. Inside this again, you can use a center tag. Under center tag, you can write a H1 tag here. Inside you can write just simple as a login. Okay. Next below to that, you can follow one, maybe that 3-4 lines hyperlink we have, that line we can add here. So this is like many to many. How many pages we have? Total 4 pages we have, and all the 4 pages are able to link from each other. Okay, from one page we can go to the second page. From second page we can go directly to the fourth page. From fourth page we can come back to the first page. Okay, so this right. Let's go ahead and see inside. Write a BR and BR. After that, keep again a paragraph. User can log in here. Log in here. User can log in here. Something. Now your all 4 pages will be hyperlinked. From home you can go to the login. From login directly you can go to the about. From about you can come to the contact. Anywhere to anywhere. All pages are perfect now. Hope we checked it. Login page is coming. All the pages are linking properly. So this becomes about many to many. Okay, home to login, directly we can go, and from login to about to contact, contact to home, right? Home to login, anywhere to anywhere. You can jump from one point. So on internet, when you see the pages, right? On internet, when you see the pages, when you click on any hyperlink, it redirect from one page to other page. There also people use the same tag. Which tag? Hyperlink, AHREF. Through AHREF, it's connect from one page to other page. So hyperlink, you understood, but in that still there is some property. You have used only one property dot called href. Href property we have seen as of now. We have some more property called target, called title, okay, and after that you can say like ID, class. So those all will come in upcoming classes. Once the time will come, I'll guide you. Okay, open the developer guide page. We have made a last developer guide page we have somewhere, right? Developer guide page you open, and from here everyone should make the note. Okay, so next what we have next, our next chapter is the table tag. Table tag in HTML. How to create a table when you are going to display the bulk data, 1000, 2000, 10,000 record. How will you display? So for that you have to use a tag, and the tag name is called table. Okay, so first we'll write the structure of the table and what are the, you can say, property we have inside the table, what are the sub element we have inside the table, and after making the note we can write example. So let's write called table in HTML, or directly write table, and then write below a structure of table. The structure of table. So hope you are making a note somewhere. Developer guide page, mostly you need to write table, the structure of table. What is the structure of table is? Inside the table, the first element we have okay. So inside the table, the first you have to start with the table, and then the table will have one tag called tr. First will be called caption. Second will be called tr. Caption and tr. The first tag is called caption tag, and second tag is called tr tag. Caption and tr. Caption and tr. Yeah. Tr is called table row. Table row. Tr is called a table row. Now caption will end there itself. Tr will continue next. Caption will end there itself. Tr will continue next. Inside the tr, first will be th. table heading, table heading. Second will be called TD, TD, TD. It's called table data, table data. Okay, table, table, caption will end there only. TR will continue. TR will have two sub-element. One is called TH, another one is called TD. Table heading and table data. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tags. Using 5 tags, you can create a table. Add some property. This is the first structure of table. We have one more structure according to HTML5. We are going to learn that also. Now write here list of property and value. List of property and values in table TR, TH and TD. Okay. List of property and values in table TR, TH and TD. Okay. Table list of property and values in table TR, TH and TD. What are that? In the day-to-day life, we use a property called align. Align. Okay, align will help you to set the content in the left, right or center. It has 3 values. One is called left, another one is called right, another one is called center. So when you create a table, you can align your table either in the left side, or you can align your table in the center, or you can align your table in the right side, left, right, center. So these 3 values. Next, we have a property called border. BORDR, border. Using that, you can apply the border 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 3 pixel, 4 pixel, n number of whichever we want. Okay, so it's called as a align left, right and center. After that, next is called as a border. Border will help us to apply the border 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 10 pixel depend. Align as a border, align as a left, right, center, border some number. Next, add one more property, then we'll create example. That is called cell padding. Cell padding. Write one line, one single line definition for that. What is the use of that? It used to apply a space inside TH and TD. Now how it will apply the space? Our example is going to guide us. Now based on this much, table TR, TH, TD and caption and align border and cell padding. We will create one example and we'll implement this 3 and we'll understand how table is looking. So hope notes is ready. Yes, no should come in chat. Hit after this, after making the note, now create a file called table1.html. See, web technology, not only any technology, anything when you are learning, it is nothing like directly you will jump inside. As I told first day also, to write a sentence, person should know the words. Now, To learn the words, he should know the which one? Alphabets. And then after that, he should understand some rule regulation. Then only you can make a form a sentence, right? So as of now, HTML is nothing but it is called alphabets of your web technology. Hyperlink you learn, you keep it separate. Table you will learn, keep it separate. Like that, you will learn 30, 40, 50, 100 tags, and all will be in your mind. Now, when some requirement will come in front of you, some design, then your mind will start running. Okay, this thing I can do through the table. This color I can apply using the font tag. This font size I can increase through the font size. A space I can apply through the BR, right? So if the material is in mind, then only it will come, no? Right? So, and all will not come together. All will come one by one, one by one. The alphabets of the technology, we cannot make very something fast. Okay, so learn slowly. Once the time will come, I will make it fast, don't worry. But before that, you need to have a material. If the material will be there, then only tomorrow, if you want to learn, you want to run fast, you can run fast. Okay. Okay, let's go. So my first 15, 20 classes are slow track only. Until unless you will not come on the common track, you are not able to run, I will not make you fast. I'll run it slowly only initially. Okay, create the file table1.html. So many people will be there in the class. Evening time, I don't know. This is the first batch last 15 years where only 3-4 people are there. Else my batches are 40 people in one batch. Morning 8 o'clock batch are there 30 people. Okay, 11:30 batches, 9 o'clock batch 25, 11 o'clock 15, 18. Okay, 2 o'clock batch there is so many. Before you there was a 13 people. I have a class, next class from 7 o'clock, 7:30. There is the 18 people. Okay, so evening time sometime maybe exams and going on. People will be less. Let's go ahead. So table 1.html. Time is free. Slowly, slowly, many people will come. Some people will join from CSS, some people will join from the JavaScript, some people will join from the React and WhatsApp. It's a number of head will get in place. Okay, the HTML open close. Follow the body tag. Now come inside the body and then write the table. Table tag open close. Open close is has the big matter. Okay, open close if not happen, you will face the difficulties. Your page will get like somewhere page break will happen. Okay, ready, table is ready. Now you have written a property today. Table, we have written a property here in developer guide that is called align. Next is called a border, next is called a self padding. So for table, I will apply a property called align equal to center. Like the table will print where in the middle. After that, we'll apply a property called cell padding equal to cell padding. Okay, don't add cell padding as of now. You will not understand the meaning of that. Center is okay, let it be. Write a caption here. Caption. Inside the caption, you write customer details. Customer details. Customer details. Customer details, right? After that, come down below, write a TR. As you saw in the previous file, what is the table structure? Table structure is table inside first caption will come. After that, what will come? TR will come. Correct? TR will come. Now after the inside the TR, there will be called TH for the heading purpose. For example, you will write customer name. Heading is ready. Next, after that, you have to add the data for that using the TD. That is called write Mr. Ganesh. Okay. So it will create a TH and it will follow the TD. Okay, now add one more TR. TR open close. Add inside one TH. TH. Give call mobile number. And then add one TD. TD. Right. Save it now. Add one more TR. So we are adding the multiple TR one after other. Add one more TR. Keep the TH. Call city and add one more TD. Bangalore. So you saw inside the table, what is the structure? We have a structure like TR. Under the TR, we have called TH and TD. Everywhere we have THTD, THTD. Right? Everywhere we have THTD combination. Ready? Shall we run the page? Yes. Hope you have written. Run the page and check once how that look. Table will look like nothing. It is mix up everything. Okay. Once we apply the border property, self-adding property, then it will be visible. So let's come. Go here. See, without property, your HTML will be meaningless. HTML will not have much meaning without properties. Okay. So for every tag, there is property value to change the look and feel. So table you wrote, table is the name of the tag. Align you wrote, align is the name of the property. Center you wrote, it is the name of a value. Okay. Similar way we have left, right, center, all we have. Now write a property here called border. BORDER. Center spelling makes sure. Here center spelling is different. CENTER. Border. BORDER. Okay. Border looks similar, but center is different. Okay. So border, suppose I given one. So what will happen inside the table for the TH, for the TD, for the TR, everywhere, what will happen? Border will apply. How much? 1 pixel. Border 1 means 1 pixel. Okay. Everywhere, inside, outside, everywhere, 1 pixel border will get applied. That is here. You can see border got applied. but now still it is not looking much better. It should be more better. So no need to worry. We have next property. We have a property called cell padding. CELL padding. Cell padding equal to, let me give 1.5, right? 1.5 are given. So what will happen? The inside the TH and TD, the cells are generating inside the TH and TD, whichever the cells are generating, under the cells, there will be a space from left, right, top, bottom, how much? 15 pixel. For example, Bangalore you have written here. Bangalore is the part of TD. So Bangalore will leave in the left side 15 pixel, right side 15 pixel, top 15 and bottom 15. Okay, similar way, city you have written, city will leave in the left, right, top, bottom, how much? 15. Okay, so that is here. Cell padding spelling you can write properly. Let me show you how that look. That look like this. See, one property here change the look and feel completely. So let's come next. Check now. You can increase also. See, increase and check what is happening. Suppose I have given 15, give 30 and see, table will become like huge spacious. It will have bulk space inside. Okay, 30 I have given. So you can see the TD, TH space got increased. So this mobile number living in the left 30 pixel, right 30 pixel, top 30 pixel and bottom 30. Here Ganesh is living top left, right, bottom how much? 30 pixel. Customer name is living top left, right, bottom how much? 30 pixel. Okay, Bangalore is living every side how much? 30 pixel. Right, so 30, if you want let it be, else you can reduce also. 20 will look better. Border here given one, give 30 40, see what is happening. There you will get very good idea. Okay, so border 1 we have given. Let me give it a 15 and see what is happening. From the 15 border, 1 pixel border will be inside, remaining border will be outside. All the border will not be inside only. Let us look and see how it is. You can see here it's happening. All the side we have how much border? 15 px. Okay, inside 1 pixel, remaining pixel is outside. Let's come. So you can say table has some property that will change the look and feel, but still if you apply all the property of table in HTML, if you apply all the property of table in HTML, still your table will not be much professional. You have to write the CSS for that. With the help of CSS only, you can make it more and more professional, and then it will look very calm down. Write the next TR, add some more TR inside. So let me know in the chat, the page is looking similar or something else or any problem. TH, you can write here, call maybe pin code, pin code, pin code. This TD we will add here. Inside we'll write 560037. Okay. Next, add one more. TH, not TH directly. We must have to write the TR. TR, TH. There we can add here. You can say gender of the customer. So gender of the customer is, we'll write a TD as male. Save the file and check once. Yeah, perfect. Save now. Yes, like this. Looking better. Now this customer details. You can see it's looking very small. We have option using font tag. We can increase this. Number one. Or using the H1 tag also we can increase it. So best option, simplest option is H1. H1 will not work before caption. Keep in mind. If you write caption before, sorry, H1 before caption, it will not work because the table structure, what it says, inside the table there is a caption, then there is a TR, then TH and TD. Other thing you can't add inside the table. Inside the table, you cannot add the H1, H2 paragraph division or anything. If you want to add, then go inside the element of the table. So which one is the element? Caption is the element. Inside the caption, we can open the H1. Okay, inside the caption, we can open the H1, and after the text, we can close the H1. This is okay. But before caption, if you are writing the H1, your H1 will not be under the control of table. That will be the wrong solution. Okay, so we can see here H1 font size got increased plus space got applied. Save the file and we will leave this file. In one file will not add so much of property, it may be overload. Next we can add some more property under the developer guide. After that we'll create the next file. Okay. So we'll go to the file called developer guide and we'll make some more list of property to implement. एक सेकेंड. Okay, come next to the developer guide file. Right here next. Okay, what else property we have? Cell padding you wrote. Now write related to that one more. Cell spacing. Spacing. What it will do? It apply a space outside of TH and TD. It apply a space outside of TH and TD. It apply a space outside of TH and TD. Next, after that, next we have call span. What it will do? Sometime if you remember your mark sheet and remember some kind of bill copy. In mark sheet, you will see 2 column, 3 column, 4 column space will be combined together, right? That happen through the property called call span. Call span property will help you to combine the space of 2 or 3 columns. Okay, so you can write here, it used to combine a space of 2 or more TH and TD. TH and TD. It used to combine the space of 2 or more TH and TD. Next is for a row span. Okay. Row span. What is the use of that? It used to combine a space of 2 or more TR. It used to combine the space of 2 or more TR. The TR space you can combine through the TR space you can combine through the which property? Row span. TR space we can combine through the row span. Ready? Next, after that, row span, we can implement this much. Then after that, we'll come back, or you can add 2, 3 more are there. Height will help you to set the height of the table TRTH. Okay, width will help you to set the width of TR table TH and TET. Next, we have called BG color will help you to set the background color. It used to set background color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Yes, one more is there, the last one, that is called V align. V align. You have written in the beginning only align. If you write only a line, your content will come left, right, or center. But there is a V align for vertical align, top, middle, and bottom. Top, middle, bottom is called as a vertical align. Left, right, center is called as a which one? Left, right, center is called as a only align. So we can write here vertical align. We have option called top. We have option called middle. We have option called bottom. Top, middle, bottom. Top, middle, and then bottom. Written, let's create text file, table2.html. So these all property are the table property, table tstd. We have to implement this all. So this is kind of a notes for you. Which one? The file you are writing, it is a type of notes for you. Okay, hope ready. Table2.html file. Notes are ready or still writing? Okay, then table2 file you create. Table2. Table2.html. Table2.html. HTML open close. Follow the body. Now create a table. Align as a center. Then border also you can give 1. Cell padding, give it a 10. Next, after that, write a caption. H1 user list. User list. Come down below. Write a TR. TH will follow serial number. Second TH. Length. Third TH. Mobile number 4th TH, fourth TH, fourth TH, fourth TH is city name, fifth TH, fifth TH is product what he purchased, fifth TH is price. Like we created one TR, in that TR we added only heading. Now remaining TR will have only data. Okay. So if you have one customer, you can follow the first table what we created. But if you have 100 customer, you cannot create this that format. You have to create like list of the table, list of the customer. Okay. So now inside this, write the next TR. One TR you can add here. Add only TD now. The first TD is for the serial number 01. Second TD for the next one, that is called full name, Mr. Ganesh. Mr. Ganesh. The fourth TD is, that is called mobile number. Correct. Next TD is for the city. Next TD is what he purchased. So he purchased Dell mouse. Next after that, next TD is price, 320 rupees. 320 each. Save this and check once. Ready? Add one more TR, and after that we can run the page. Add one more TR, 02. So in the first TR, how many TH you have, that many TD you need to pass in the second TR as well. Okay, next TD is, that is for, what is, Ganesh Mess. Mr. Ramesh. Next TD is next TD is next TD is city. So he is from the Chennai. Next TD is what product he purchased. All Dell laptop. Next, what is the cost for that? TD 40,000 rupees, 40,000 for each. Save now. Check once. So this page will also look like well organized table for the multiple users. See, look like this. Previous table is like this. This table is something like this. Correct? Please check once. Let me know. It's working or not working. So it is a simple table. Just we have added few details. If you want, you can add some more customer. It will look more better. Like suppose you can copy the last year and paste again. So static content we have to add manually, or you do copy paste, no problem. 3. Then let it be Rajesh. So in your this one, the some people I have added. I think for 3-4 people I have given the link, right? YouTube link. YouTube link. You follow the group today, WhatsApp group. So in that WhatsApp group, I have added